Istfana ice cap, the world's third largest, on Nordøstlandet Island in Norway's Svalbard archipelago, covers about 8,000 square kilometers. It is melting at alarming rates due to global warming and contributing to rising sea levels, a grave concern. A waterfall created by the melting ice. It was disheartening to see the sea ice had melted in June. Compared to their female counterparts, male California sea lions are larger, have thicker necks, and possess a protruding, gray sagittal crest. During mating seasons, the males become territorial and protect their harem of up to 30 females. The sea lions in this area have expanded in number compared to other colonies in Mexico. This is thanks to the protection offered by being a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a national marine park, where the no-take zone protects the entire food chain, provident. The great blue heron fades away in the green light on the coast of Florida. The green light is actually the reflection of the traffic light in the water. With decreasing natural habitat, the great blue herons often interfere with humans, especially fishermen, to get an easy meal. Every winter, enormous schools of herring migrate from the open ocean into the fjords of northern Norway and attract large numbers of big predators, such as orcas and humpback whales. Witnessing orcas feeding on herring using the so-called carousel feeding technique is very exciting, but not easy to capture due to various factors. Limited light and visibility, fast-paced action, plus cold surface and water temperature. This picture was taken with a remote-controlled camera placed into a fish tank. It was lucky that the wild boar stayed unmoved for the moment the picture was taken. In Hungary, where this composition was captured, the Milky Way is very rarely low enough in the sky to touch the horizon, and this phenomenon occurs only for a few days in the month of August. This photo captures a moment of pure awe and wonder. It's incredibly rare to witness auroras from this Icelandic waterfall cave, as they are typically visible to the north or overhead. The stars aligned with clear weather. After waiting for 3 hours in the cold, at 3 a.m., the auroras shifted south, putting on a breathtaking display.